Elementor built-in motion effects are fun, but let's be honest, they are a bit limited. What if you want animations that look trendier, smoother, and way more professional? That's where GSAP comes in. Today, I will show you how to add a cover flow Elementor carousel slider that's completely free. No Elementor Pro, no paid add-ons, nothing fancy. Just Elementor, Explore Elementor add-ons, and GSAP. So, let's get started. I found a great GSAP animation code snippet online, made a few modifications, and now it works perfectly inside Elementor. Don't worry, I will share both the original and my modified version in the description so you can copy paste it easily. So, what is GSAP? If you have ever searched what is GSAP in Elementor, here's the answer. GSAP stands for Green Stock Animation Platform. It is a powerhouse JavaScript library used for smoothest animations on web. It works across all the browsers and can animate anything: HTML, SVG, and even 3D WebGL scenes. And the best part, you don't need to be a full-time developer to use it. So cool, right? Before we start, here are a couple of advanced GSAP scroll trigger examples by some amazing designers. I tested them, made a few small modifications, and here's what I got. Pretty cool, right? But let's get back to our main goal, building a beginner-friendly cover flow Elementor carousel slider without plugin that scrolls smoothly on scroll and has next previous labels, perfect for portfolios or product showcases. So let's open it in editor mode. Don't worry, here it looks like this, but on preview mode, it's perfect. So let's talk about the hero section. I have used a Flexbox container with 2 columns, set the content width to box at 1280 pixels, minimum height to 50 VH, direction to raw, and justified the content to center. I also added a background color from the style tab and some top padding in the advanced tab for breathing space. In the first column, I set the width to 50% and stacked items vertically, a header, text editor, and a button. In the second column, there's a slider and the container has same settings as the other. Now we're going to delete this slider so we can start fresh. From the Elementor search panel, search for Elementor HTML widget and drop it inside the container. This is where we will add the GSAP code for our hero section animation. Now, paste in the GSAP JavaScript code. This is what powers the movement and animation. Here is an important part. The GSAP code handles animation, but without CSS, it won't look like a proper carousel. CSS gives it structure and style, while GSAP makes it move. I'm using the free Explore Elementor add-on plugin to add custom CSS without needing Elementor Pro. Click on the container holding your HTML widget, go to its advanced tab. The Elementor CSS is Pro, selecting the free X-Pro CSS and pasting the CSS code there. This will handle the sizing, layout, and styling of our slider, and now it looks and feels like a real carousel. Now let's publish the page and check it out. There it is, a smooth Elementor GSAP powered cover flow carousel built right inside Elementor. And the best part, you didn't need Elementor Pro or any other paid add-on to pull this off. Now, if you want to add your own images, it's really simple. I'll just replace one to show you how. Head over to your WordPress media library, pick an image and copy its file URL. Then, back in the code, look for background image. And now, replace the URL inside the brackets with your own. Done. Publish it and preview it. And there's the image we've just added. So you can create a custom GSAP cover flow carousel like this. And that's it. Now if you would like to dive deeper into the GSAP, check out the official docs, CodePen and Code Sandbox. Join the GSAP community plus GSAP YouTube. Links are in the description box below. So what do you think? Would you use GSAP in Elementor in your next project? Maybe for a GSAP hero section or G-Sub scroll trigger in Elementor? Do let me know in the comment section below. So if you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching.